Hey everyone, this is Miss Ray, and in this video I'm going to show you how to figure out what you need to make on the final exam in a course in order to achieve the desired outcome for the semester average. So first I'm going to give you the equation and then I'm going to give you an example. So each quarter grade is 40% of your semester average. So we're going to multiply quarter 1 and quarter 2 by 0.4. The final exam is 20%, so we're going to multiply that times 0.2, and that is going to give us, when we add all that up, our semester average. So X is quarter 1 grade, Y is quarter 2 grade, and Z is your final exam. And so you're going to plug in numbers for X, for Y, and for your semester average, and you're going to be solving for Z. So, for example, let's say on quarter 1, you made an 85, and on quarter 2, you made not so great a 78. And we're going to say that your desired outcome is going to be an 80. We're just going to kind of keep it pretty simple. We're going to see, what do I need on the final to make an 80 for this semester in the class? So, 0.4 times quarter 1, which is 85, plus 0.4 times quarter 2, which is 78, plus 0.2 times my final exam needs to equal 80. So now, as you can see, I have an equation. I only have one unknown, and so I am going to solve for Z. So first I need to simplify. 0.4 times 85 is 34. 0.4 times 78 is 31.2. Plus 0.2Z equals 80. And I need to now combine these like terms. So 31 plus 0.2 plus 34 is 65.2. Plus 0.2Z equals 80. I need to solve for Z, so I need to move the 65.2 over by subtracting. So now 0.2Z equals 80 minus 65.2, which is 14.8. And finally, in order to solve for Z, I need to divide by 0.2. So Z equals 74. So what does that mean? That means Z is my final exam, so I need to make a 74 on my final in order to have an 80 for the semester. Now, if you get a number greater than 100 for Z, then that's an indication that you're most likely not going to be able to get that because we do not do extra credit. So then you need to manipulate this number here, and I would manipulate it in that step. So once you get to this point, everything should stay the same, and the only thing you would need to change is your semester average. So if you need to make it less, so instead of an 80, maybe you need to say 75, then you could plug in a 75 for the 80 and then solve the last couple steps to see what you would need to make. So you can do the math, you can be prepared, which will help you prioritize how you study for finals. Good luck.